Hey guys, this is Saurabh from MrGeeksUnited.com, and today I'll be doing my unboxing of Apple's latest iPhone 6. This is a 16 gig gold version which I bought for myself on the launch day in India, which is October 17th. And this time the unit is fully packed. It hasn't been opened at the store. Usually in India the products are opened at the store to check if there are any issues or not, but thankfully this time it wasn't the case, and that is what I prefer. Well, in the box you'll be greeted with this lovely iPhone 6, and this is my first gold edition iPhone. All my previous iPhones were either black or space gray. So let's keep this aside for the time being, and let's see what else we have got in the box. The standard packaging from Apple, and first of all you will see this earpods. It's a lovely packaging of the earpods, and then we have the power adapter, the power plug, and the lightning cable. And now let's see what else we have. It's the usual kind of looking documentation. Let's open this, and we have the pin, and we have some more information about the iPhone 6, some warranty information and regulatory information which we don't need, and the usual Apple stickers. Upon peeling the outer cover, you can really feel the light iPhone 6. It has got a 4.7-inch Retina HD display with a pixel resolution of 1334 by 750. And if you compare it with the iPhone 5s, you can see it has got a completely different look, and this new iPhone 6 is made of different material as well. And the style of the buttons are also different as compared to the old iPhone 5s. And it has got the new 8 megapixel iSight camera at the back, and on the front it has got the 1.2 megapixel camera which does HD recording at 720p. At the bottom of the iPhone we have the usual 3.5mm headphone jack, a lightning connector, and built-in speakers. In iPhone 6 we have got the power button on the right hand side, and there is nothing on the top. It's going to take some time to set this up, and I will do that, and I'll show you more about this iPhone 6 in the future videos. Thank you very much guys for watching. Please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you, and see you in the next video.